Hi, my name is Dave Grucock, and I'm a solutions consultant for K2Fly, based in our Australian office in Perth. It's my great pleasure to introduce you to K2Fly's resource disclosure solution and to highlight some of its enhanced features. Our resource disclosure V1 product, R-Cubed, is successfully used by many Tier 1 and Tier 2 mining companies worldwide. Aligned with the latest technology and our roadmap vision built off customer feedback, we present to you the next generation of resource and reserve reporting. Resource disclosure is the first module to be built on our resource governance platform. All the data is entered and stored in Azure Cloud SQL databases with full encryption and backups. The application can be launched in any web browser with single sign-on or by system login credentials. Okay, if I go to the Norseman reserve page, you can now see where I've added the nickel polymet material type, the grouping of the grades and metal content for the constituents that were in that metal type, which are nickel, copper, and cobalt. Nickel, copper, and cobalt. If I go to the material types config page from here, from the config menu, I can see the nickel polymet material type and the configuration page. So here I've added nickel, copper, and cobalt. And I've got material millions of tons as the unit of measure. This is obviously added to the material type in the how you set up the material type for the data capture page. If I go to the responsibility user assignments, click on that, I can select a user to assign to a workflow responsibility. The responsibilities have been preset in the configuration, and they can be anything you want them to be. And the users are have also been added to in the config. So here, as you can see, I've added myself as the R&R capturer and a corporate approval sign-off. There is also a regional QP who is a regional QP approval sign-off. Both reporting areas have the same users assigned here, but resource disclosure allows you to assign different users to the same roles. So, for instance, here, underground and stockpiles have the same responsibility assignments, but I could add different ones for stockpiles. Admin user 4 or admin user 6 and system user. Responsibilities are assigned from the config page, from base config here. Responsibility name is added and the type. So here's data capture, sign off, notification. And you can also decide whether that person needs to be sent an email notification when they are ready to do a task.